Connecting the HP PageWide XL printer series to a network. Connect the LAN cable to the printer. The printer is able to automatically configure itself for most networks. This process might take a few minutes the first time you connect the printer to a network. Once it's connected, the printer will be protected from malicious connections by the HP Connection Inspector. When the printer has a working network connection, check the printer's network address by clicking on the connectivity icon in the front panel. To modify the current network configuration, select the Settings icon, then click Network, and finally select Gigabit Ethernet. You can change the settings manually from this menu. You can also do this remotely using the embedded web server, which you can log into using the printer's default unique admin password. If you accidentally misconfigure the network settings, you can restore the network settings to their original factory value. On the front panel, select the connectivity icon, then Settings, press Network, and finally restore factory settings.